Okay, we're going to calculate the mass percent of each element in urea. So here's urea. We can quickly calculate its formula weight. And if we wanted to, for example, calculate the mass percent of carbon, it would be the mass of carbon in 1 mole divided by the entire mass of 1 mole, its formula weight, and this fraction is multiplied by 100%. And this is what that would look like. The mass of carbon in urea is 1 times 12.01 because we have 1 carbon atom. The formula weight, as we said, was 60.07. If we look at our units, we see grams of moles cancel out. We have units of percent. We have our calculator answer, and our direction tells us to give our answer, round our answer to 1 decimal place. So we'd round to 1 decimal place. This number is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the preceding decimal, and that would result in a mass percent of 20%, 20.0% carbon. We can go through the rest of the elements. And we get our results for the percent composition of urea, the percent by mass of each element that's contained within that compound.